Recently had a client by the name of John, not his real name. And John was getting in trouble. And he said, Kevin, can I talk to you about my false allegations? I said, positively. So we talked for a while. Then I sent for all his documents. And I got back all the 51 A's and B's, all the reports by DCF. And the crazy part was that the child who alleged that John had physically abused him and sexually abused him in August of that year said that nothing had ever happened between him and John. And yet, a few short months later, in December, the child said that John had sexually abused and physically abused him. Well, there had been a restraining order out against John for the past 2 years with this child. So John hadn't seen the child in a couple of years. The child's statements in August in the DCF reports clearly stated that there was never any sexual abuse or physical abuse. Yet a few short months later, the child was making false allegations against John, which could never have happened because, again, there was a restraining order. So what's the moral of today's story? You've got to get all, not just some, not just part. Don't get a half a loaf of bread, get the whole loaf of bread. Every single document from DCF and go through everything, including the dictation notes, the foster care reviews, the action plans, the safety plans, the 51A report, the 51B investigation, and on and on and on. And read through them. DCF did not read their own documents, so they never would have supported this against my client.